So if you want to be the one that takes advantage of this new AI wave, listen up, my friend. This video is for you. I'm going to go over my favorite AI tool for this week, and they can change your business for the better. Let's get into it. All right, so the first tool we're going to cover is called Talk Audit. I haven't used this yet, so I'm going to walk it through with you guys, but I've heard this thing has been amazing for TikTok. Let's go ahead. I love Chrome extensions. If you guys don't know that, it is like a cheat code, and if you're not using it, you need to be using Chrome extensions to your advantage. A tutorial pops up after it's done installing, and it'll basically walk you through how to use it. And then after you have the Chrome extensions, go ahead and pin the Chrome extension. Talk Audit. So it looks like it has a payment program, which is $5, $27 a year, which isn't that expensive. 25 times 5 is 25. So that means that it's a lot cheaper to just do the year. But you can try this out for free on a 14-day trial. Yeah, so this allows you to do a lot of quick things. Like you can go ahead and quickly see what's going on with other people's TikTok accounts. Like let's just take Will Smith here. You can select a date range of like all the analytics that you're trying to use when it comes to this program. It also lets you see the likes, the comments. Basically, you use this to like be able to analyze and get as much data as possible on the people that you want to be like when it comes to creating content. And like we can see here with Will Smith, we're able to see all of his analytics, like when he posted it, how many views he got, of course, just like on Instagram, on TikTok, but it allows you to bring all the data into a spreadsheet. So you're able to like really analyze these people. They've got a training tab in here where they can show you like how to actually use this to benefit you, because there's a lot of different use cases for this, and people in the space have been telling me they've been using this for TikTok. I don't really use TikTok so much, so I can't recommend too hard on this, but it seems to be working. This next tool is super dope. It's called Google Universal Translator. This thing is so cool because it basically allows people that don't speak, let's just say, perfect English. Maybe they are from France, maybe they're from Germany, because basically there's only like 30% of the world that speaks English. So if you're making content in English, just English, like you're limited, right? Because you want to make it in Chinese or you want to make it in Spanish or whatever. But this basically allows you to speak another language, and they use your voice and overdub your voice, so it sounds like what you would sound like in that language. It's freaking amazing, especially like if you want to speak a language but it's just too hard. Like maybe you even are fluent in a language but you don't want to sound like you're Russian, or you don't want to sound like you're German. You want to sound like you speak perfectly good English. This is for you. For instance, like my girlfriend, she speaks French, and sometimes when she's trying to attract an English community, it might be harder because the people can't really understand her. So this universal tool is basically going to allow you to do that. It's not out yet, but there's another tool that you can use at this moment, and I'm going to walk you through that one. Okay, so this tool is called Hey.io, I guess, Hey.io, however you want to pronounce it. But it pretty much does the same thing that we were talking about before. Like it allows you to change your language to something else. So if you got YouTube content, you're trying to repurpose that content, you can use this, but it's not perfect because it doesn't sound exactly like you, but it's accessible now, and people have told me it's been working pretty well for them. You can just come here and start a free trial. I always sign in with my Google. Then you basically add your footage. You can add a YouTube clip, which is easy. Come over here, YouTube. I'm just gonna come grab one of my videos. Go back over here, original language, English, United States. And I want it to do it in Arab. Okay, so I guess it's going to translate my voice into Arabic. So let's see, this would be dope if we can do it pretty easily. All right, so that took about 3 minutes, I would say. So it's translating everything over to Arabic for me, but the thing is it doesn't sound like me, so I may have to play around with it and find like the perfect voice, the perfect male voice for me, because it sounded like a guy with a squeaky voice. That ain't me, bro. But it does what I want it to do. If I want to make a Arabic channel, I can do that, and people that may be in that region can understand what I'm trying to say. And that can open you up to a whole different demographic of people that you have been contacted before. It even adds to Arabic subtitles, so people can just follow along that way too if they don't like the voice. So what I'm gonna do pretty soon here is I'm gonna start different channels in Arabic, in Chinese, in Spanish, and basically hire someone to reform all my videos and post them in those languages. If you're the type of person that just needs to stay on track, it can be very hard nowadays on our smartphones, right? Because we got Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, FaceTime, I don't know, Messenger, WhatsApp. There's like so many apps and so many notifications that you get, and your brain almost gets trained to like look for it. It's like a squirrel. Like every 30 seconds or something, I can only speak for myself, like every few minutes or something, I just have this like habit of like wanting to check and see if somebody wants to contact me. And the best in the game right now is called Opal, and this thing basically just limits your screen time and is very easy to use and very easy to set up. All you have to do is go over to the settings app, click focus, scroll down to filters, and then choose Opal. This will automatically make it harder for you to get distracted by the thing that is the easiest to distract you, which is your phone. Stay on track, my friends, and upgrade those squirrel brains. Next, we've got Tango. If you are one of those people that do the same type of task over and over again, like maybe you are doing tutorial videos for people, maybe you are onboarding new clients, maybe you're doing something for work, or maybe you just want to show someone how to do something online. So instead of like making a little screen recording and trying to send them over a video on how to do this, or instead of like trying to send them over a YouTube tutorial video, you can just come here and hit the little Tango app, and it'll start recording your actions on your screen. It's super easy. Like you just see me just click this button. All you do is push start, and now it's going to pop up on the side and record what you do. So say if I say, oh, come over here and go to, I don't know, iRobot.com, iRobot, type in iRobot, see something random. And then we're going to come here and go to, scroll down and go to Penguin House. See on the left hand panel, it's already creating a how-to guide. So it's like, come here, click on this search result. And after they come here, maybe they need to go to popular, right? And this is click on popular. After that, we're going to go to fiction. And then once you're at fiction, I don't know how this website works, but we're going to come here, and now it's going to give me recommended books to get. So this is a cool book that I want to send someone. I don't know. Add to cart. But do you see how easy it is to just create a PDF that you could just easily go send it to people? Because after you're done, you can just hit the check mark, and then it should take you over to Tango after it automatically creates this for you. And there you go. It's all finished. You can just save your workflow. You can export this as a PDF. You can change it, change the titles for it. You can do a whole bunch of things for it. It's super easy to use, just like that. And in the AI Inner Circle, I show you how to actually make money with this, because what you can do is you can use a tactic is to post YouTube walkthrough tutorials. So that's what we talk about in the Inner Circle. Yeah, you got to take advantage of these AI tools. Next, we've got Glass, which is a YouTube summary with ChatGPT. This is the best one that I found. And basically, when you go ahead and get this Chrome extension, like right here, Chrome, you can get it in the Safari store, whatever it's called. And then when you go to YouTube, let's just say that you're a spiritual coach and you want to teach people how to become a spiritual coach. You can just come to one of these videos, like, I don't know, how to become a spiritual coach, right? Easy. Click this video, and then instead of like watching this and taking your own notes, what you can do is now you have this extension right in the side. And what it does is it summarizes this entire video. Let me move my face. There we go. It summarizes the entire video right here. So instead of you going ahead and reading this entire summary and trying to like figure out how to make a script out of it, you just click the little button right here to open up ChatGPT. And what it does is it's going to take this transcription into ChatGPT, and then it's going to summarize it. And after it summarizes, you just come down here and you can just type this in. Write me a 40-second, let's put second. Write me a 40-second Instagram reel script out of the above. So boom, it's gonna write you a script, and you can do this so fast and just read the script. It even gives you like when you should cut it and maybe use B-roll or whatever it is. But read these type of scripts and it'll really help you find clarity on how to create more content. And this works in any niche. It literally took me, I don't know, 20 seconds to do that. Just literally finding a video, typing the summarize it, and then just finding a script out of it. And you can just say a 60-second reel script or a YouTube video out of this, or just the talking points that you want. You can come in here and just say shorten after that. And then what it's going to do is it's going to make it more simple for you to go ahead and read this. All right, so if you want to become a ninja with ChatGPT, go ahead and get this extension. It's called ChatGPT Prompt Genius, and what it does is it just prompts better like a professional. It allows you to export, import things. It allows you to save your different ChatGPT prompts that you can use all across ChatGPT. It's also connected to Reddit, where you can go ahead and ask questions and get answers from other people that are using the same project. and it's a Chrome extension, so you can just hit it in the corner and it'll always be there with you. There's different type of languages that you can talk to ChatGPT with, like a fun way. If you're a student, if you are a doctor, whatever it is, it's got a prompt there for you. And ultimately, it's for those people that want to take it a step further with ChatGPT. Like if you just don't want to use ChatGPT and you want to become an expert, this is what a lot of people are using. Another one that I use is called AIPRM, which I mentioned a lot, but this is similar to it, but a little bit more advanced. So this is a great starting point for you guys. They also have a light and dark mode, which is pretty dope. Okay, so this may be my favorite AI tool of the week. Is called TripNote, which is really dope. Let's just say that you want to go to a city that you've never been to before. Like maybe you want to go to Hawaii for the first time, and you heard Honolulu is cool, but you don't know anything about it. You can just come here and type in Honolulu. I will pick the thing that's like the hardest to spell. Do you want to know the top 5, restaurants, the top 10 restaurants, the great areas to catch a good vibe, romance? Tell it what you're looking for. Like, I don't know. I love the beaches. So let's say beach. It's going to tell me the best beaches in the area, like the urban Honolulu area. There it goes. It's going to rate them. And that's super fast to use, right? Instead of like going to Google and trying to find it, like type in the best spot, like it just tells you and it's all organized here. And that's just one random question that I asked it to do, but you can ask it to do literally anything in any destination. So if you're looking to travel to a new place and don't know what to do, this thing will tell you exactly what to do. Then it'll help you pick if you should go to that destination or not. I don't know, I'm gonna ask a random question, like let's say Savannah, Georgia. I don't know much about Savannah, Georgia. So if you want to ball on a budget, this is great for you right here, telling you how you can save your money. It shows you exactly where it's at and what does it include. Like it's a burger spot, like if it's just a beer spot, like whatever it is. And it gives it a rating. Like someone rated this 4.7 stars. It gives you the phone number, Instagram, and everything about the space. Really fast. Okay, next we've got Gamma.app, which is dope. I use another tool that was similar to this called Toom, that is by like ChatGPT people, OpenAI, but it kind of has limitations where it only gives you a free things that you can use on the free version. And I heard this app right here is the one to use, so let's try it out. This is if you want to create websites, do presentations, slideshows, stuff like that. That looks really cool, and to do it fast without you having to manually do it and just using AI to automatically do everything for you. So what are you going to use this for? I don't know, for personal reasons. Let's see. I'm a creator. How did I hear about you? Instagram. And I ask you, do you want to create a presentation, document, or a web page? Let's just say a document for this example. It has every language also. I've got a company called Black is Travel, which is a travel company, and I basically am documenting all the cultural festivals in every country. So let's just look at a random country like Chad. The best cultural festivals in Chad, Africa. That is random. Let's see if it can create it. So perfect. It's giving me the festivals. That was fast. That was literally in like a second. All right, so it's creating it right now. Let's see how long it takes. Looks like it's giving me different color theme ideas over here that I can use. Let's just say this way, continue. Wow, and it creates it in like real time, and I'm kind of watching it do this document, which is dope. This is sick. It even adds photos. Wow, this is sick. It even adds photos. It tells me the city and all the festivals. It highlights everything about it. This is super detailed. This is definitely something I can use and send out in a newsletter. This is something I will definitely use in my workflow. Just look at how much detail it's putting into this. Wow, I am impressed with this one. Let's see. I'm going to try to export this out as a PDF and see if it lets me. So it says it's going to send it to me as a PDF, so I don't even have to wait, and it's going to send it through email. So that's dope. Next, we've got eDraw Max. This is dope because it makes your diagramming easy. If you're trying to visually show somebody, it can be kind of hard using something like Canva to do something like this, because it can be like kind of complex to make these cool diagrams or these cool charts, right? But now we got AI. So this tool can use AI to basically, you tell it what you want, and then it can just create your diagram for you. So you can come in here and say like, I need a new floor plan, and it'll just create your floor plan. Or if you want to make some type of flow chart, you could just type it in and it'll create it all for you. It uses AI to analyze your inputs and arranges shapes and connectors to just create clear, concise diagrams. This is how you can easily blow your clients away or blow your teacher away or whatever fields you're in your job or whatever. You can have these diagrams easily explain what's in your head to other humans. So if you're a type of person that is using AI and you want to take advantage of AI, you want to make money with it, you want to save time, you want to make your business move faster, you want to help other people move their business faster so you can make more money so they can save more time, like you just want to learn how to take advantage of this AI wave. join the AI Inner Circle, and here is a clip from the last call.
So I opened this Inner Circle one course. It was making money with AI. So I found out that you can automate Instagram DMs, like literally everything AI will write for you. So you just have to log in for free, everything for free. You just connect your Facebook with Instagram. I went one-on-one for some magazines in our places area because I knew that if I want to make money, I have to make them make more money. And now they're paying me every week. Like we have talked for weekly. If they don't pay, I just turn off the ManyChat, automatically. Yes, and actually, it's generating money like every month. So thank you, buddy.
Let's go. And how old are you? Just so they know.
I'm 15. Like it was 15 1 week ago.
Look at that, dude. 15, and you're in Azerbaijan or country?
Yeah.
Azerbaijan. Yeah, bro. That just shows you right there, man. You should definitely join the AI Inner Circle. I would love to have you, and I know the community would also. And this is a way to get me as a mentor for under $30. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to continuously put out content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.